us a little bit about yourself, like what you do, the current job, what a typical day looks like for you, and all that.
I'm Anusha. I have done 11th and 12th on science. So after that, basically I am from Kannada medium, so mediums will never affect the job. And then it comes to engineering. I was more into technical field since the high school only. So when there were project exhibitions and all, so it helped me to take that engineering as my course. And then I went to off campus where I cleared interview for IBM. That was the first company I entered, and it is going great. In that in test specialist, as it was a full stack tester actually, it will cover all type of testing, and it helps for growth as well to earn the knowledge on that point.
Could you please tell us, or the students, could you please tell them what are some skills or qualities that are essential to sustain in your area?
Okay, so main thing they should be having analytical skills, because as a testing field, they will get requirements and for a testing, and that we have to analyze all the requirements. We have to go through the many documents related to that, and we should collect all the information from business analysts and all the main delivery managers. So main thing is we need analytical skills, and then proficiency in any of the testing tools, a bit of coding I would say, and nowadays automation is increasing, so automation tools are most required part of testing. They can clear some ISTQB examinations for that as well.
Were there any extracurricular activities that you were interested in, and lately you felt that, okay, oh, this has helped me really in my career? Were there anything like that?
Career activities like attending the quizzes in online hackathons, that was like interesting, right? They'll give answer and we will get to know our knowledge level. So I used to attend the quizzes and the coding, like simply I used to try some coding and whether it works or not. This is kind of second thing. As a hobby for my refreshment, I'll make some arts and crafts, not only too much into technical, but in free time I will be busy in my own things, like it's kind of refreshing, not into completely a workaholic. I can say after work from home, when we got COVID, I was not knowing I was having a talent that I can be an artist as well. So after that, something it is refreshing me, so I'll get recharged in weekends and then working in 5 days after work. So it's good.
Of course. So you're saying that you're good in some art-based work.
Arts and crafts, yeah.
Okay, crafts. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Tell us, how do you keep yourself updated all the time? Because as you have mentioned, this artificial intelligence has taken a huge space in the technical world. But how do you keep yourself stay updated?
We will take online courses. We will be having multiple industry level conferences. It's going on, and we will attend some webinars as well, and there will be multiple courses posted funded by the IBM only. It will give a hands-on experience as well. During the course, they will try to give a hands-on experience, and they'll give some assignments to us. It will help, so we can correlate with our project and we can improve those. Basically, we should be having a proactive mindset that I am okay to learn as well.
Of course. What kind of advice that you would like to give to the students?
Yeah, advice, all they have is now. So it's completely a blank paper till 10th. They'll take parent suggestions. They'll study by according to parents or by according to teachers as well. But after 10th, they will have an idea why to study, what to do after this. They might take any fields after 10th, but they should have a clear mindset that what they have to do. Any course is not a waste, but they should be clear. If they are doing some commerce, they should be clear that they will go in that only. They should not switch between. If few people I saw in my friends or something, they have taken science, they felt difficult. After 2 years, they've changed to commerce. So it is like wasting a year plus their time as well, right? Don't have a dilemma mind. Be sure what you will take after 10th only. And if you are going to that field, be sure you will taking some job from that only. If they wanted to go any government jobs, after 10th only they can start preparing for some general knowledge questions, as YouTube only is offering many things, so it is not difficult like they have to go there only, they have to study books only. No, even online they will get many courses. They will use many websites like any Instagram and all. They can use LinkedIn, they can use Naukri.com, how it helps. They can choose news apps also. So basically it will help them how outside the world is growing. They can, if they start using artificial intelligence tool, they will get shocked as well. Yeah.
Of course, 100%.
Yeah.
Right.